The supine cross connect is going to be about foot pressure and upper trunk rotation. So when your left foot is on the wall, like I'm going to show you, we want this part, ball the big toe, and then the outer heel producing the pressure. The whole foot still has contact. When you're doing the right foot, it's going to be inner heel and that big part of the big toe. We still want this side as well, but that's the difference with pressure. So with the right side, we want to access the inner edge to push us to the left. When we have the left foot on the wall, we want to access the outer plus diagonal to keep us grounded on that side. So it's helpful to do this with a foam roller or a yoga block. If you have a flat wall, I have molding, so I don't need it because I have that little reference, but that's about the height that your foot's going to be off the wall. So left foot on the wall, knee is not going to lock out perfectly, it's going to be a little bit unlocked. You're going to use the foot on the wall, same outer heel, ball the big toe pressure. Make sure you're not pressing directly into it, but there's a little bit of a pull downward. So watch my hip. Very little peel off the floor. Your low back should still be on the floor. That is the pressure. So outer heel, ball the big toe. Make sure that you feel hamstring and the bottom of your glute. It shouldn't feel like you're squeezing the side of your glute so much. If you do feel that, you're probably pushing yourself this way. Make sure that you stay in line, hip socket, knee, and foot with that left side. Right knee is going to come up to 90. If you feel the front of the right hip getting tense, you don't have to pull it all the way. Just find what's comfortable for you. Opposite point of the elbow is going to reach toward the midline across. You're going to do your full breath here. So exhale, you're going to drive the foot that's pressing into the wall. As you exhale, you're feeling everything deflate. You pause. Before you inhale, I want you to feel these opposite thigh and elbow pressing toward each other. And you'll feel air going into your backside. Exhale again. As you're exhaling, you're focusing on the foot pressure on the wall. Pause. Sense these two things getting closer to each other when you inhale. You will feel air going mainly into the right side of your back because your trunk is turning to the right, at least the upper trunk. When you do your other side, right foot on the wall, we want inner arch, inner part of the heel with the ball of the big toe. We still need contact from the ball of the pinky toe, but that's mainly where you're pressing to help us get pushed to the left side. You're going to feel a lot more right glute when you set it up with that way. So hip socket, knee, and foot should be in line with each other. You're going to press inner arch into the wall as if you're trying to get your foot arch to flatten into the wall. You're going to feel more of the right glute to the bottom and a little bit of the outer glute when you do the right side. Left knee is going to come up to 90 degrees. And then same idea. You're going to bring your opposite point of the elbow across. Palm will face you. Exhale, focus on the foot pressure. Inner arch drives into the wall. You should feel a lot of glute as you exhale. Pause. Slowly breathe in, bringing these 2 points together. You will feel air going into the left side of your back mainly. Exhale, drive into the right inner arch. Feel that foot drive, pause. As you breathe in, you're trying to get these two things closer to each other. Feel the drive as you fully exhale. When you inhale, bring the thigh and opposite elbow toward each other. And you will feel air expanding your left backside, giving you a nice feeling of a big stretch.